Hi and welcome. Today we are beginning with a series of spoken English. We'll begin with greetings, and it is divided into part 1 and part 2. And with part 1 is also divided into several subparts. It is technically practiced with the students who are at very basic level, and then it is uploaded. And this particular series will take you through a focus of difference between spoken and written English. It will be helpful for the students who tend to confuse between spoken and written English, and they write the spoken or apostrophize English for their answer sheets or for their responses in the written, and they lose out on marks. This will help them gain understanding to the basic concept of academic writing, where apostrophized writing is not accepted. But this particular video is focused for very basic learners of English who would prefer speaking English fluently. Let us proceed. The first part is informal greeting. When you meet a friend, how do you say? You say hello and the name of the person. Suppose if you are meeting Asma, you will say hello Asma. And the reply to hello is also a hello. So the person who is listening, or that suppose I have wished hello Asma, and Asma will reply hello Sadia. Let's proceed. Then the next step could be ask about the health. It's very general or courtesy to ask about health. How are you? How are you? You must have heard that I did not pronounce this R completely. How are you? The reply is, I am fine, thank you. Or a better way of saying it is, I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. The person who's listening can say, how are you? And the reply could be, I'm well, thank you. I'm well, thank you. And you can see that this is the written style. A spoken style would be, I'm well, thank you. I'm well, thank you. I'm well, thank you. Another way of saying could be, or this for respondent's style could be, what about you? What about you? Or another way could be, and you? The reply could be, I am fine too. Or a better way would be, I am. I'm fine too. This is used only in place of the reply. Let us proceed. Then you can have a general query. It could be, is your school far away? Yes. The reply could be, yes, it is. No, it isn't. Where do you live? I live in Dubai. I live in Sharjah. I live in India. I live in Mumbai. I live in Islamabad. I live in Karachi. You can use the name of the city over here. Won't you go to the party? This is used when you are not you are collecting information from someone. No, I won't. The reply could be maybe, not sure. And the query or question could be, are you coming for the class tomorrow? Are you coming for the class tomorrow? The reply could be, yes, I will. Or if you don't want to say yes, it will be, no, I won't. Another question is, from where are you? Please pay attention that you do not construct where are you from. You do not end the question with the word from. The word from is always placed in the beginning. From where are you? I'm from India. I'm from Pakistan. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm from the UAE. Let's proceed. Leave taking. Leave taking is when you complete your conversation or when you've finished talking. How do you wind up? How do you finish your conversation? Let's see. Asma says, "Have a good day." The reply could be, "Thank you, I will." Have a good day. Thank you, I will. Let us see another way of saying leave taking. Asma says, It was a pleasure talking to you. This is an error. It was a pleasure talking to you. Sadia says, "Same here." Asma, "Take care." Sadia says, "You too." Another way of saying is, "See you, bye." Let's proceed to the task. Today's task is that you have met a new person. First, wish the person in a friendly manner. For this, we have learned the word hello. Hello and the name of the person. If you know the name of the person, or just say hello, because you wouldn't know the name by then. Ask about the health, that is, how are you? I'm well. I'm fine, thank you. Ask any one question using the spoken structure. Where do you live? Where is your school situated? Are you coming for the class tomorrow? And then take leave. It was a pleasure talking to you. Same here. Now let us see a sample structure. It's a conversation between Asma and Sadia. Let us see, how does it begin? How do they inquire about their health? What questions do they ask? And how do they take leave and they wind up the conversation? I will not read the name of the person. I'm just reading the conversational part. Hello, Sadia. Hello, Asma. How are you, Sadia? I'm fine, thank you. What about you? I'm fine too. Are you coming for the class tomorrow? Yes, I will. What about you? Yes, I will. It was a pleasure talking to you. Same here. Take care. I will, thank you. Have a good day. I will, thanks. Bye. This series will continue for certain videos. Please, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that when I upload the next video, you get the notification. Thank you.